Here, the church bells changed the thinking of Dick, and he decided to go back towards the Fitzwarren house because Dick wanted to be the Lord Mayor of London and ride in a fine coach. So Dick did not mind getting scolding from the cook if that was in store for him. But he wanted to go back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. And because of this, hearing the church bells, Dick decided to retrace his steps and go back to Mr. Fitzwarren's house instead of running away. And this is the decision of Dick changed his fortune also. As we all know, Fitzwarren was a merchant. So one day he told his members of his house that today I am sending the ship across the country with the goods. So he asked everybody if anybody want to send something to sell, and as well as he told that if that voyage will become successful, whatever profit he will get, he will distribute among the everyone. All the family members decided to send something in that voyage except the Dick because Dick didn't have anything to send. So Mr. Fitzwarren asked him, "Have you nothing of your own, Dick?" Dick replied very sadly, "I don't have anything except my cat." After some moment, Mr. Fitzwarren has told, "You can send your cat also." But Fitzwarren's daughter, Alice, told his father that Dick loved his cat very much. Instead of that, I can send something for him. But Fitzwarren told that no, whatever you have to send, it should be belonging to him only. So you cannot send. So very sadly, Dick decided to send his cat, and he has sent the cat with the captain. But the captain was very delighted, very happy when he saw the cat because that captain knows that the cat is very good mouser, and in the travel he will never face the problem of rats and mice. So he happily accepted that cat with him. And finally, the captain had started his journey. He carried cat with himself. After some months, that ship reached towards the African coast at the Barbary place. It is the name of the place. And the people who lived in that area is called as Moors. Moors means a tract of open, uncultivated upland. After reaching over there, that captain sent a message to the king. He told that we have numbers of things to sell. But when he reached over there, what he saw? He saw numbers of plates were served in front of king and queen's place. And immediately numbers of rat and mice came and he ate all the food also. After watching all this, that captain became very surprised and he asking, "What happened?" That king is saying that it is a normal thing. It is daily happen with us, and our whole country is suffering from the plague. It is a contagious bacterial disease, and numbers of rat and mice are there, and no one can read from this solution. And this is a difficulty we all are facing. After watching the situation, the captain told the king, "I have answer on my ship." And he brought that Dick's cat to the palace. And numbers of food were served, and immediately numbers of rats and mice also appeared. And as soon as cat saw all this, she immediately pounced and killing at least dozen of rat and mice, which was running here and there. After watching all this, means the king and queen, they became very happy because till now they were very frustrated with this problem. But this cat solved their problem. So that they're asking what is the name or what you can call this animal. So they're telling Puss is the name of this cat. So they all called as Puss Puss, and that queen become very happy. But at the starting, she was frightened, afraid, because she saw how fearlessly the cat had attacked all the rat and mice. So that captain told that the cat is very friendly with the people, and now we can solve the problem of kingdom. And at last, queen and king became very happy after watching the work of cat, and they were telling to the captain that I would give great wealth to own this animal. And now the captain and queen and king, they started to bargaining. Here bargaining means they were discussing regarding the prices, and at last the king was agree he would buy the whole cargo. Cargo means the goods that are carried in a ship. So whatever material they were carried, they all taken by king, and they given very fine price for it as well as for the cat. What they given? They given 10 times the sum. So that captain became very happy for this wealth. By taking the wealth, means gold and jewels, that captain started his return journey. Afterwards, as soon as he reached the port of London, that captain showed all these things to Mr. Fitzwarren, and he told all the story of cat to him. And that time, merchant called the Dick also, and he has given all this reward to Dick, and he told that from now we will call you Mr. Whittington. You are a rich man. Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received for the cat, because earlier only that Fitzwarren told whatever profit he will get, he will give them, and according to that he has given all the wealth to Dick only. Now Dick got lots of wealth with him, and he has called as Sir Whittington, and he started his work with Mr. Fitzwarren and became very successful merchant with the help of cat only. And later he married with Fitzwarren's daughter Alice, as well as he became the mayor of London 3 times. After getting all this success, he always helped the poor needy person with the help of money. He always shows his sympathy towards the poor people. Means here we can see how patience and determination work in his life. In detail, I will tell you means how determination can work in our life also. In this way, we'll see how Dick's life or fortune changed. And when he will become old, that time he will tell his story to his grandchildren, how the bells of church changed his mind, how they were ringing in his mind, and how he decided his decision to come back. And today, how oh poor boy became a mayor of London. This is the story. Now we will see what the message from this lesson we can learn and that we have to inculcate in our life also. The story gives a very powerful message for the youngsters is that we must not run away from difficulties but face them bravely. In spite of the hardship faced by Dick in his childhood and youth, he moved ahead and kept himself focused on his goal. So, one should not give up with the hurdles in life and move ahead with a positive attitude, with their strong qualities to achieve success. Again, we can learn very important factor to overall success in one's life, that is determination. Means one must have a clear goal in mind and be willing to do anything to achieve the goal, no matter what one is capable of. If you are determined enough to get what you want, there is nothing that can ever stop you. Determination is a great motivator for success. And as you all know, nothing is impossible in this world if we are focused on our goal. All these things we have to inculcate in our life also. Then only we will become successful person like Dick Whittington.